And here we have this Lenovo tablet, and this is applicable for a very specific model. Now if you're struggling to hard reset this device, it can be a bit daunting sometimes, because on the internet there's so much different information, and you know, somewhere it's written you have to press the power button and both of the volume up and down keys, or the up key or the down key. So I'm going to remove this confusion for this specific model. I'm going to put the model number in the description below, and I'm going to show you how to hard reset it. It's quite simple, so if anything doesn't work, then definitely this is going to work. So first of all, you need to turn off your tablet. Now this is an Android version of it, so we need to reset the software, but just remember that if you have a Google account attached, you need the same email to set it up. So it'll basically, once it's shut down, the Lenovo logo will disappear, and then what you need to do is you need to press the power button and the volume down key. So it's the power button and the volume down key. So let's go ahead. So together you need to press it, and it'll give you this logo for Lenovo. As soon as this comes up, just leave it. So guys, that's the menu, as you can see. And over here, what you need to do is you need to toggle with the volume up and down key, and you have to press wipe data factory reset. So once when you come to the wipe data factory reset position, and then you have to press the power key. So there we go guys, this is the power key. I'm gonna go ahead and press it. So as soon as you press that, it'll give you an option. It'll say yes or no. So over here, what you need to do is you just need to press yes, and again the power key, and you will see that it'll give you some information on the bottom, and all you need to do is just you need to wait, and it'll basically wipe off the data. In a few seconds your whole device will be factory reset. All you need to do is just wait patiently, because it does take some time, and I'll just show you what will happen after it's been done. So this factory reset is specifically for the Lenovo YT-X703F. Detail that it's saying supported API 3, wiping data, and formatting data, formatting cache, data wipe complete. After it's completed, all you need to do is hit the reboot, and by pressing the volume key, and that will bring you into the state which it was. So yeah, once when you hit the power button, and it'll basically take some time and it will reboot. So yeah guys, here we go. It's giving you the welcome screen, so it means that it's been reset, and you have to just select the language, and then you can press next. Then you can choose your Wi-Fi network, whichever Wi-Fi network you're on. So guys, this wraps up my video for the hard reset of your Lenovo Yoga Tab 3. And if you have any questions, or if you're still struggling to set it up, leave your comments below and I'll reply back to you. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and catch you in my next video. Bye for now.